This is an overview of Muscat. I'm here standing on a vantage point that looks across the new Here I am on the top of the castle Al Matrah, and this is the Matrah area. As you can see here, it's a beautiful view of the Corniche and the port, and I'm walking here on the little cliff here, and that's how you see it, like almost a 360 view of Matrah. Here's another view of Matrah, Corniche. Now it's about 5:30 and people start to come to the Corniche. Here I am at Motra Souk Matrah, and this is the main entrance there, as what the dome is. And around the souk here, they have the city Matrah, and Matrah is located right at the ocean here. As you can see here, there is ships here, dhows. People take a tour around. Here we are at the mosque in Muscat, and this is an overview of the outside.
انت قصدك تفهم.
That after they finish coming by the ship, they're joining one inside the mosque in 3 months. There's 21 carpets, it's 1 month.
Here we are at the Royal Palace in Muscat, Oman. And this is a big complex of the palace here. So we're going around here. I'm standing right in the court here, and that's how the complex is. A big place here, and this is what you call Old Muscat. Here I am on top of the fort. We're taking a panoramic video here of Old Muscat.
Also did screenwriting in Jordan.
Yeah, Jordan also is, yeah. Good. Yeah, your feet are good. Now you don't want to show your feet?
I feel like my feet always look weird.
Here we are at Wadi Ban Khalid, and this is a natural pool here. People come here to swim. It's like an oasis in the middle of the desert, and that's how it looks like. Today is a holiday, it's Eid al-Fitr, and a lot of people coming. And this is like a little rest area with a restaurant here. We are here in Sur, where they still manufacture old-fashioned ships. we are at Sur Harbor in Oman, and this is the old port here. I like this town here. Here we're still at Sur, and I'm standing here at the light tower. Here we are at the sinkhole. As you can see, people swim in it. This is a pool that the water comes underground from the sea. It's a sea water pool here. And as you can see here, there's tons of people around to visit. Today, of course, is a holiday after Ramadan, and a lot of people are off, so they come here to spend the holidays here. Here we are leaving the marina, going for dolphin sightings. Here I am on top of the Nizwa fort, and as you can see here, we're here looking at the fort garden with full of date trees, and this is a 360, and if you see way in the background all the date trees, and here is and this is the fort here. This is a beautiful, beautiful view here. Okay, here I am with Khalil on top of the Nizwa fort. And as you can see here, we're looking at Nizwa and the date farms. And I'm gonna show you inside the fort. And the background is the mosque and the mountains. Here we are working in the garden of the fort. And you can see here, this is the date farm here. And here in Nizwa, they are pretty much famous for the dates. Here he is. How you doing?
السلام عليكم.
السلام ورحمة
كيف
الله.
الحال؟
يعافيكم.
Here we are at Jebel Akhdar with the general view of the terraces.
This and you go
Yeah.
today, now you come back, you smell it again, and
Here we are at Jabal Akhdar, the Green Mountains in Oman. Here we are on a cliff looking down into the valley. As you can see here, this beautiful terraces.
Not slippery.
it feels like it's stable enough.
Yeah. Imagine this rock is fell down from here until down.
Yeah, because it keeps rolling.
Yeah. They renovate like a lot of those type and they make it like this.
Here we are at
Which is like the most people they
Barakat al Moz.
like it.
This is the old buildings, homes.
With terrace, like coffee shop, like